Oh boy, I think we'll get it now. It seems that September 2022 is not going to disappoint from being the toughest month in the year for cryptocurrencies. Just take a look at Bitcoin right now at $19,000, crypto.com at 11 cents, approaching 10 cents. DeFi for Cronos adding staking, pull to and borrows, approaching the 1 billion flat. And I mean, I'm not going to even mention the prices right now on the DApp section because they're destroyed and really crashing, right? But the point of the story is, gotta stand strong. And the big question is, why, Oscar? Why is it happening? Like, are the big events coming in September? Because if you are not aware, there are big events coming in later this month. And wow, I mean, we just gotta be ready for them, right? And that is exactly what I want to talk by the end of this video. How is that gonna affect the price of crypto.com and our entire portfolio? Don't go anywhere because this is something all Cronos holders do not have to miss. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Let's go ahead and start with this analysis because, I mean, we live for this, right? We really like it, even though we are, I mean, not in a good position if you bought in like me early this year, 2022, or even last year, right? I mean, you're looking at your portfolio in red, and there's people that get it. There's people that say, you know what, eventually it's going to come back up. There's some other people that are just frustrated, very bad, and not really taking this on the right way, but I get it. It's not an easy space, but that's why we're here, to cheer you up, guys, to say, let's go ahead and stand strong. Come on, we're all on the same boat. We're going to make it. Whack me, right? We're all going to make it. So that's my couple of seconds of motivation for all of us, the Cronos holders. When we take a look at the price right now, everybody, in September, right, starting the month, the toughest month in crypto, historically speaking, we're seeing that we're not looking at this level in the entire month of August, in the entire month of, what is this, up just in July. That is pretty significant, just from a price standpoint, right? All the entire month of August, it was way above that level. Now, finally, got to close this one out for us. In mid-July, it's when we're starting to see that level once again. So it's been more than about to be 2 months. About to be 2 months next week when we're finally going to start seeing the 11 cents once again, because it's just been 2 months of, I mean, you can call this a big fat bull trap, but to tell you the truth, nobody knew that. And of course, during August we were really bullish, but now you see how cryptocurrencies changes really, really quickly. And you know, when the exchange is starting to use memes for the crypto bear market, you know something's coming up, and it is what it is. Just to give you an idea, the latest big news from crypto.com, because I know what's happening, 2 weeks plus. 2 weeks ago plus, we had the Deloitte auditing pass, and we had there was I believe, not forgot just right now, but I mean, there's just more countries coming in for products and services on crypto.com. We got Canada, I believe it was Canada, one of those that, you know, 2+ weeks ago we received those big news, right? But other than that, in 2 weeks plus, we haven't seen major big news from crypto.com. Knowing right now it's a bear market, extreme fear is high. Look at the prices, under 19,000. Wow. Now we look at Cardano. Vassal is coming in. That is one of the big events. Vassal, which is a hard fork for the entire blockchain on Cardano, and the price of Cardano in the last 7 days flat, of course, and just not performing well as we approach that. Then we go all the way down and we find Cronos. We see FTX, which we were really close. Now we're much lower. 3 items, 3 companies, projects way above us. Right now, Cronos in the last 7 days, in the last 24 hours, down, down, down. So, couple of the news and the key points that are going to alter the price of everything is going to be the CPI data coming in on September 13th. So we got more than a week left to really see where inflation in the United States is going to be. That is going to be very important, guys, and it's right here. This will be one of the most important releases in the entire month. So Vassal, CPI data, very important. And the last one is going to be the Ethereum merge. That's it. Those are the 3 that really are going to be key for everything that you're looking here in cryptocurrency. But I'm very excited to see something that is going to be much less than 8.5 for cryptocurrency, for the entire economy. When we look at the DeFi Llama and the space, as I mentioned before, Cronos right here 1.02. So it's crashing. It's going down very badly. It is what it is. Still holding, right? But from the top to the bottom, it just crashed, $3 billion plus. And I mean, that's significant as always. So everybody, that's what's happening for crypto.com right now, 11 cents. What does that mean? Well, it means that we just got to continue holding strong. There's no other way to say it. Right here, I have my orange horizontal line that represents the lowest point crypto.com has been in since June. So that is about 2+ months, about to be 3 months. So how are we looking like? Well, if we crash about 12% from the point we're here, we're going to be at around 9 cents, everybody. So it's going to be pretty tough, right? That is the range. And that is, I believe, a couple of golden nuggets for all of you to know and to remember, because at the end of the day, we don't want, of course, to fall in a position that it's going to just crash eventually, guys. It is what it is. So now you know we got big news coming in. Any latest news coming from crypto.com Twitter, just from Cronos here and there, and some kinds of partnerships at the low level. But when it comes to crypto.com, nothing major so far. Vassal from Cardano, Ethereum merge that is going to affect everything right for them when it comes to the ERC20 tokens. And I'm very excited that finally changing from proof of work to proof of stake. Eventually, it's going to be helping a lot of different projects. And that CPI data report on September 13th. Don't forget it. Today, we're looking at September 6th. So we'll have one more week before that happens. And it's going to change a lot of the things in the economy. If we get something under 8.5, I'm sure we're going to have a nice rally. If we have something, which I don't think, which is higher than 8.5, well, you can be adding a little bit more pain to the table, and that's not gonna be good flavor for all of us. So guys, those are the couple of things that you guys have to consider when it comes to crypto.com right now. In my position, I've added at 50 cents, 40 cents. Right now, we're looking at 12, 11, 9 cents that are probably gonna be the lowest. But let not be, I don't want you guys to feel that we cannot go even lower, and I'm pretty sure we can. The reason why is if we are not starting to add more volume and capitulation happens when, people can start selling off because they see Bitcoin falling even lower to the 17, 16,000, eventually crypto.com will fall into those pits and deeper levels. If that's the case, you guys let me know what you think. So cap some money on the side because probably more discounts are on the way. I'll see you next time, everybody. That is why we're having these issues. Peace.